So here we are, 1996 Lincoln Town Car. And here is the new oil pan. For some reason the power steering started leaking and the AC fucked up because it's a rusty old piece of fine machinery, but you have to pull the transmission out to do an oil pan on this car. You also need to pull the motor mounts on this side. Couldn't really get the motor mounts on this side due to round bolts, but it's just enough to sneak the whole engine up to get things, going. So, cross member, transmission, do that first, then do everything else, because you just make your life easier. So, only reason I'm putting this video up is because I had a lot of misinformation on this job, so maybe this will help you.